Hi there, this is Scott Duffy from softwarearchitect.ca. In this video, we're going to talk about all the great content of the Microsoft Docs website and how to get support for this if you're having problems. As you may know, if you search for example code, if you search for quick starts and tutorials, you are likely to come across an MS Docs website in amongst other blog posts. Now, sometimes you might find following along these instructions a bit difficult. Whether you download the sample doesn't compile, or you go to perform a task and it's not quite working for you. Some people just say, well, that's, give up on this, nothing to do. But in actual fact, one of the best things that I've found, which is a bit hidden, is that all of these pages are generally supported. So if you scroll all the way down to a typical page in the MS Docs website, you can see a section called feedback, and you can say submit and view feedback for either this page or for the entire project, but we're focused on this page. Maybe the more interesting one is to say view all feedback on this page. That will take you to GitHub, and maybe what you don't know is that MS Docs is managed in GitHub. So the Azure-Docs repository under the Microsoft Docs account contains all of the Azure documentation. Now what you can do is see all of the open and closed tickets here. So if someone's having the same problem as you might be able to find that, and then some recommended solutions that other people are making. Or if none of these things speak to your issue, you can create a new issue. Now, of course, you do need a GitHub account in order to create issues in GitHub, but that should be pretty standard these days. So don't feel like all of these Microsoft pages are unsupported. They are most definitely supported in my experience. I have found some small typographic errors as well as coding level errors in some of these pages, and I opened a ticket and had really no problem getting someone to give feedback on that. Now, one of the great things about this being in GitHub is that you can do a pull request and modify what you found. So if we go back to GitHub and we search for the title of the article in this repository, we can see that there's only one article that comes up, and that is this article. And so the version on the Microsoft website and the version of GitHub. And so if we do find a typographical error or a minor error that we are able to discover, then we can certainly help other people. It's probably good karma in life to come in here, do a pull request, and modify what you need to do. And then someone's going to review that and approve that. And now, of course, you're not going to need to do the work for Microsoft. They're not paying you to do that, but you can see that this particular page has had over 20 contributors to it, and you're certainly available to be number 21 if you are so inclined to fix minor problems. And so having all this documentation at GitHub is certainly a benefit in terms of that as well. But even if you're not willing to do that, you are able to get some support through the links at the bottom of the pages that either allows you to create a new ticket or view all the existing tickets. Anyways, this is just a quick little tip on how to get support within the Microsoft Docs tutorials, code, samples, etc. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Hit subscribe on this channel to get more videos like this, and check the links in the description for my availability of Azure related training. It's on certification specifically. A lot of it is very affordable on the Udemy website. Thanks a lot for being here, and have an amazing day.